Hello, welcome to the course Radio Frequency Measurement and Simulation for the Space Industry. So my name is Tamara Sherratt and I'm going to take you through a general introduction to all things radio frequency and measurement. So in this course we're going to cover how the radio frequency is measured, how it's simulated. So this is the kind of work you might know as RF for radio frequency, microwave or electromagnetics. Kind of interchangeable terms, it just depends what your company decides to use. So in this course we're going to look at common equipment used in RF test, the kind of results that you get from an RF test and the different types of RF tests that you can complete. We'll look at electromagnetic simulation and we're actually going to walk through step by step a very simple, straightforward example to show you. So in a little bit more detail, the overview. The course is split into two chapters. The first one looking at the radio frequency measurements, the second one looking more at the simulation. So in chapter 1 you've got 5 lessons. We're going to walk you through the RF measurement fundamentals. First lesson being hardware, second lesson being setup, third lesson being results. Lesson 4 is looking at radio frequency measurements taken on the bench, and lesson 5 is RF measurements taken in free space. So chapter 2 is our simulation chapter. 3 lessons here. So lesson 1, we're going to look at just a general introduction to electromagnetic simulations. Lesson 2, I'm going to show you a setup of a nice, simple, straightforward example. And lesson 3, we're going to look at the results that you can get from that and how you can present them. So just to let you know a little bit about myself, I spent 10 years as an antenna expert in a leading aerospace company. I ran a lot of the simulation work and a lot of the test work taken in the anechoic chamber. I was also responsible for getting apprentices and graduates that came into our department up to speed to work. So you're in safe hands knowing what you need to know to progress in the space industry.